Hello friends, welcome to learning Microsoft Excel. So in this video we will see how to enter the text or numbers into the Excel and how we can generate some sort of report using the formulas. So you can also follow along with me. I am going to click on File and just close my current workbook. I don't want to save, so click on Don't Save. You can go to the File, New, and click on Blank Workbook. If you have already opened a blank workbook, you can directly follow along with me. So I am clicking on the cell A1, intersection of column A and row 1. And here I am typing serial number. So I am typing capital SR, serial number, and then I can either use tab key or press the enter to accept the text serial number. Then I want to move the mouse to the cell B1 and here I want to write month. Press the tab key. Then after, so tab key will be used to switch your cell to the next cell. So right now I am in C1 cell and here I am writing cells, and then after I can just type or press the tab key. Then here I can type expenses, press the tab key. Here I can type profit, press the tab key. Now in the serial number I can type 1, press the enter, 2, press the enter. So in the previous video we have seen we can select the multiple columns and rows, and then you can just move the mouse over the corner of the column rows and you can click and drag until you will be get the number of 12. Here you can write short description of the month, that is Jan. You can also follow along with me with the same exercise. Jan, Feb, and then you can select the multiple March, April up to the December. In the January month, let's say my company have sells about the 1500, then after 2000 in the February month, then after let's say 2500, again reduced to 2100. You can also enter the data as per your requirement. You can also enter the data into decimal. Similarly, you can also enter the data into the expense cell. So in the expense cell, let me write expense about January month is 1000. You can enter the any numerical values at here.